ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. All right, welcome everybody to episode 12 of the series, and today's cocktail is the Gold Rush. This is another cocktail from the famous bar Milk and Honey. You know, if it's coming from that bar, the cocktails are going to be pretty good. This has got a few cool ingredients too. We've got bourbon, a honey syrup, and some fresh lemon juice. That's it, 3 ingredients. Brilliant. What's not to like about this cocktail? Let's make this drink. We're going to grab our cocktail shaker. And into that, we're going to go 2 ounces of bourbon. We're using Elijah Craig bourbon today. Two ounces. And we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of our honey syrup. Beautiful. Then we're going to squeeze 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. There we go, 3/4. I like adding 1 big rock and some little ones. Give it a good shake. This is like the most fun part, shaking. When your shaker goes frosty cold, that's when you know it's done. We're gonna add ice to a chilled glass. And we're just gonna double strain this into your glass. And we're gonna garnish this with a twist of lemon. Make sure you get the oils around the glass. And there you go, folks. This is the Gold Rush cocktail. Have a look. It's pretty cool looking, isn't it? Let's give it a sip. This is definitely one of my favorite bourbon cocktails. Essentially, it's a whiskey sour. You get your honey as the sweetener, lemon juice, and bourbon. It's absolutely delicious. Definitely give this one a try, folks. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.